Right after celebrating the beauty of Christmas, the church surprises us with a powerful reminder. The child in the manger came to give us a love worth dying for. Today, we honor Saint Stephen, the first martyr. His story may feel far from the quiet peace of Bethlehem, but it reveals the true strength of Christmas. Stephen followed Jesus so faithfully that even when people rejected him, he kept his eyes on God. Even when he was attacked, he prayed, "Lord, do not hold this sin against them." Stephen shows us that real discipleship is not just about feeling inspired. It is about letting the love of Jesus guide our choices, even when it costs us something. We may not face what Stephen faced, but each day we are invited to love, to forgive, to speak truth, and to be alive. This is the courage of Christmas, and it begins with a simple yes to Jesus today. Amen.